I'm meteorologist Nicole Mitchell with a look at some of our weather risks and severe weather for today. And want to set the stage with the temperature map because we can really tell the dividing line. Denver at 76, Minneapolis at 83. Billings at 51. So we have a frontal boundary going through the northern tier of the country, and then we're going to have a dry line set up really kind of western Kansas through western Texas. That's going to be the firing line for some activity. You can see some thunderstorm icons here on the map and a few things that we're going to have to watch for. And also ahead of that, some of these temperatures are 10, 15 degrees above average. So Minneapolis 18 degrees above average, but even Denver 10 degrees above average. That sets the stage for a couple of things. Some of those areas will see some drier air, especially if you're behind that dry line that I mentioned. And then look at some of these wind gusts, gusting in the 20 and 30 mile per hour range, Albuquerque up toward Denver. So because of that, where we have the drier air, but on the warm side and windy, fire risk today, especially centered around New Mexico, but other portions of the plains and Midwest could see that as well. Then ahead of that, where we have some of that moist air colliding with the dry line and the frontal boundary that we're talking about, we're going to see the potential for severe weather. A couple areas today with the slight risk, and wind and hail would be the primary threat, but can't rule out tornadoes. But the next couple of days, this sets up with even more of an area. So we have a couple areas that would be enhanced. For the day on Tuesday, this includes somewhere like Omaha that we would have to watch for that risk. And then we could see thunderstorms all the way up to the Great Lakes. As we continue into the day on Wednesday, look at how more widespread this is, including Kansas City or possibly Oklahoma City, that we'll have to watch for that severe threat. So we are getting further into spring, and the severe weather definitely something we have to think about.